Are the pockets real? The front pockets are real, guys.
And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it live.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Tamela. If you like the video and you like what you see, then be sure to stick around and subscribe for new videos. We would love to have y'all join a part of our little family. And I cannot stop giggling because this is round 2 of the Stitch Fix unboxing, guys. I got my new box, which let me just go ahead and update y'all for those that didn't read the description box in the last video. The customer service was great. They refunded me for my original box and they sent me another box for free, so no problems with the customer service. They were quite lovely, to say the least. And I'm kind of nervous to open it because I'm like, okay, is everything going to be my size this time? Are we like good to go? But I'm excited to open it because I really hope there's some cute stuff in there. So if y'all are interested, then just keep watching. Okay, let's see. This is the first one. The material on this feels impeccable. Don't know. That's like my word of the day. I've already said it like 3 times. Impeccable. I love that word today. The brand on this is Market and Spruce. I've never heard of that. This is cute. Okay. I can dig it. This is in my size. Woohoo! Go Stitch Fix. So obviously I haven't tried anything on. Usually, like when I'm trying to try stuff on for you guys, I try it on before the video so I can tell you in the video how it fits, but I didn't want to ruin the surprise, so I didn't. So I can't tell you how anything fits right now. When I do the try on part, I'll try to like leave some notes for you guys. But it is like a little off the shoulder situation, and the bottom looks like that. Can you tell? I mean, it's very cute. It's just not something I would normally wear, but that's the whole point of Stitch Fix, is because I want to try some new things. It also has this like keyhole detail in the front, which I love. I love a good keyhole. This one is $44, which I'd be lying if I said I ever paid $44 for a top, so that's questionable. Well, you do get to use your credit, which makes it a little bit cheaper, because the credit that you pay, the styling fee for the box, which is $20, you can use that towards whatever you buy. I don't know what this next piece is, but I already love it because I am in all the fall vibes right now. Oh, this looks pretty. Oh, okay. Oh yes, this is definitely a keeper. This is the brand Paper Moon, and it is in a size 3X. Just, guys, this is so pretty, and this will be perfect for transitioning into fall because you can't tell, but it's a very light, thin material, super stretchy, and then it has the same lace detailing, or this probably is not lace. I probably wouldn't call that lace. Crochet, maybe? Crochet detailing down into a bell sleeve. I love it. I hope this looks as cute on as I'm loving it right now, because that is just perfect for transitioning and going into fall. I actually really like that. And that one is $44 as well. This next one has some floral going on. Okay, I really like that. It seems a little long to me, but maybe not. This is by the same brand, that Paper Moon brand, in a size 3X. I'm sorry, I don't know who's emailing me. Y'all can probably hear that. This is what it looks like. And again, if you can't tell, has that keyhole detail. And I love, like, I have a ton of like keyhole t-shirt dresses that I got from like what's the name of that place? Like It's Fashion. They're super cheap and super cute. They're like Forever 21 quality, so they don't last forever, but they're really cute and like $5, and I'll buy them time and time again. But it's just like a cream color with this is like, what would you call this? Let me think of the word I'm looking for. I don't know what I'm trying to say when I say these muted colors. So the colors on here are like super muted, just with the cream, and it's obviously has no sleeves, so I really think I like that again for transitioning into fall. And that one was $38, which with the $20 credit would only be like $18, so that's more reasonable. And then this top is black. You know, your girl loves a good black top. And this one is sleeveless as well. Just looking at it, I don't love it, not gonna lie. This is from the brand, what does that say? Love Apella? I think that's what it says. 3X as well. This is the Hilly Lace Yoke Knit top. I'm not 100% a fan. I like the detail at the top. It's sleeveless. Is this navy? No, I think that's black. Yeah, not my favorite. This reminds me of something that I feel like my mama would wear. Like, no, like, do you know what I mean? When I'm like, not quite my style, but I'll still obviously try it on and see what it looks like on, because you never know. You might try it on and think it's absolutely the best thing you've ever tried in your life. But just a basic sleeveless top with a little detailing up at the top. And the price for that one was $48. I would not pay $48 for that. And the last thing that I got was a pair of black denim. I really wanted to try denim with Stitch Fix. So I've seen a lot of people find a lot of great brands, and I don't experiment a lot with like different brands for denim and things like that. Once I find something, I'm that kind of person that's just like stuck there, like, hey, I like this, I'm gonna be here for like the rest of my life. So I did want to try some new denim brands, and I'm glad that I got these. And these are from the brand Just USA, and these are size 18 women's, so we'll see how that works. Usually like that should be fine. But yeah, just a basic pair of black denim. Can't go wrong with black, especially moving into the fall. Like, everybody needs a good pair of black denim. And the waist on these are stretchy. I really cannot stand when the waist of my the waist of my jeans are not stretchy. I need like a stretchy waist in my jean, but these definitely have that. Are the pockets real? The front pockets are real, guys. That right there is just a selling point. Like, I appreciate a good real front pocket. So yeah, hopefully these, oh, that's cute. I didn't even see that. Look at the ankles, y'all. Look at the ankles. I'm gonna be styling and profiling, y'all. Okay, seriously, no, but seriously, these are really cute. I am very picky about the ankles of my jeans. I try to get with the trends with the weird ankles, and for a while I didn't even like this. I thought this was the most ugliest thing that had ever graced the planet, and maybe when I put these on I won't like them, but I feel like sometimes they're just those pairs with those weird ankles. Well, not weird, the different like distressed ankles. Sometimes they look really, really cute, and sometimes they look terrible. So hopefully these look really, really cute, because just looking at them, I like it. I could see it with, y'all, I'm already planning on outfits. So if they're really good jeans and they fit well with the credit, it would make it $58, which is probably, that's even kind of more than what I pay for like at American Eagle. I think the most I've ever paid at American Eagle is $50. So I don't spend a lot of money on clothes, let me tell you. I mean, I spend a lot of money on clothes, but I don't spend a lot of money per item, if that makes sense. But I try to invest when it comes to pieces like jeans. I haven't always been that way, and it hurts my chest to try to be that way, but I've just learned that quality over quantity when it comes to denim. But the prices of Stitch Fix to me are a little high, and I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, when I did it asked you like what price range you're looking for every category except for jeans. I put the lowest price of whatever. There was like an option like the lowest of below, the lowest you can get, or something like that, and that's what I clicked for everything except for denim. I don't remember what price range I put, but I think I put like I was willing to pay a little more for that one, because I am trying to, you know, quality over quantity with my denim, so I am willing to pay a little bit more for it if it does fit well, and who knows, maybe that'll be my new favorite jean brand. But for all of the tops to be like around $40, like 38 to 48, and especially some of them I just don't even think were worth the money, I would not. Okay, if I walked in a store and like a top was like $38, I'm not gonna buy it, if I'm being completely honest, unless like I have a coupon or there's like some kind of discount or sale going on, buy one get one free, buy one get one half, something like that, or I just actually dire need this shirt for like tomorrow for some reason. I am probably not gonna buy a $38 shirt. Probably like nothing over $27 probably. I don't think. Now don't let me lie, but I'm like, most days I'm probably not gonna spend that much money on a shirt. So the prices of Stitch Fix kind of like, it's like a pros and cons thing. It can be really cute, it can save you trips to the store, and if you're just looking to buy one thing and use your credit on that, then it makes it a lot less like, why is that shirt $40 and the shirt becomes $20 if you use your credit. So pros and cons, I guess it kind of really depends on how much of your stuff you keep. But if I wanted to keep everything, the total price of everything would be $252. But if you buy everything with Stitch Fix, you get a discount, and it would come out to $189 minus my credit, which would be $169. Do I think that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items, those 5 items in particular, are worth $169? No, I'd be lying if I said I did. But I don't think that means that it's not a good service. You just gotta decide what's worth your money. If there was a really cute top from a really cute brand that I've never seen in store before, and I'm like, I really want this top, it is perfect for X, Y, and Z occasion, then I might spend the money on it and use my credit, and it would be grand. But I probably wouldn't buy everything in the box. No, maybe I would. Don't let me lie. I think it just comes down to what your budget is and what you're trying to spend your money on. I probably wouldn't keep everything in my Stitch Fix box unless I absolutely loved everything, because you do get a really good deal if you do want to keep everything in your box. You get a good deal, but I wouldn't want to just keep everything for the good deal and not really be in love with everything I'm keeping. So I probably wouldn't see myself keeping more than 2 or 3 pieces. And with the $20 credit, it does make it a little more doable, but we'll see what I keep, we'll see what I don't keep. I'm not 100% sure yet because I haven't tried on anything. I will leave a note like right here on the screen so you guys can see that. But I really hope that y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
So take me away.